Welcome to the review mail. How to clean Jura Coffee Machine. Review mail. If you're like me, you take your morning coffee seriously. And if you're like me, you also have a fancy Jura coffee machine to make that morning cup of heaven. But what do you do when it starts acting up and not making the perfect cup of joe? Clean it, of course. Here's how to clean Jura Coffee Machine so that it makes the beverages you love once again in no time. How to clean Jura Coffee Machine, the process. It is easier than you think it is and will improve your experience with your machine significantly if you just follow this easy guide. 1. Use only original Jura maintenance products. It is mandatory to have your hands on original phosphate-free Jura cleaning products for the highest amount of hygiene. Other brands will not be fully compatible with the program and will not provide proper protection. 2. Do the prerequisite, empty the tray. At the beginning of this procedure, go to the Clean Machine option from your menu. Then have your machine display ready and clean on 2 separate pop-ups. Press the rinse button. After that, your display will show empty tray. At this point, take out the tray and empty debris. 3. Do the rinse. After you have reinserted the tray, place an empty container under the spray to catch the rinse water. Water will flow automatically for a while. Then your machine will instruct you to add the tablet. After you have inserted the tablet in the bypass doser, press rinse again. This time the machine will clean itself with the cleaning tablet. The water will flow out just like it did previously. 4. Make sure that the cleaning is uninterrupted. You don't want to unplug the machine or interrupt the cleaning midway because this might severely compromise the degree and effectiveness of cleaning. Make sure that the machine says empty tray before you take the tray out. 5. Put the tray back. Simply dump the water and put the tray back in. Do not attempt any additional cleaning since that is not necessary and will end up causing damage to your appliance. 6. Do not forget descaling. Until now, the cleaning that we talked about is only for cleaning the coffee debris. But we have to remember that the mainline water of many locations is hard, containing limescale and calcium, both of which can steadily form layers of scale inside your machine. Descaling your Jura coffee machine is essential to avoid this unfortunate situation. If you avoid this step, it might begin to add a strange flavor to your coffee. Moreover, it can cause your Jura coffee machine to die an untimely death. Jokes aside, scales might clog the spout and will keep the coffee from flowing out partially or fully. 7. Descaling, an addition or a substitute to tablets? Jura descaling and cleaning tablets cannot be used one instead of the other because both of these have completely different but similarly important functions. A Jura descaling tablet can only be emitted from the cleaning process if a clearal filter is fitted. But a clearal filter cannot be ignored even if Jura descaling tablets are used because the limescale, calcium, and iron levels of certain mainline water can keep fluctuating. And a clearal cartridge filters out all the unwanted substances. 8. Jura cleaning tablet substitute. Keeping in mind that using off-brand cleaning materials is discouraged, let me give you some tips. Hush hush. In times of absolute desperation, you can use sodium percarbonate for cleaning and citric acid for descaling. But as I mentioned before at the beginning of the article, try to refrain from this practice for the sake of your machine's welfare. Caution: Jura cleaning tablets. How to use before using on your Jura coffee machine. You should know. 9. Clean your machine regularly. You should clean your Jura coffee machine every 1 to 3 months, depending on how frequently you use it. If you avoid cleaning it for a long time, milk fat, coffee grounds, and congested pieces of sugar will accumulate, and your coffee will suffer from the nasty greasy smell of old stale waste. To ensure that no milk fat or protein residues are gaining entry to your precious cup of coffee, you should clean the milk pipes once a month. And yes, milk pipes require more frequent cleaning than the machine itself. 10. Store at a suitable place. Keep your Jura coffee machine in a cool and dry place, as you would do with any other electrical appliance. If your kitchen does not have an appropriate exhaust system, it is best to keep the machine at any other place than your kitchen. The material used on your counter is also an important topic of discussion here. Wood-like material that tends to collect moisture is not suitable for having your machine on top of. A clean coffee machine ensures you the creamiest and frothiest coffee. You will be able to enjoy your caffeine without any difficulties now that you know exactly how to clean Jura coffee machine. Share this article with your friends if you want them to be a part of this small happiness.